everybody, and welcome to Cope with Hope. I'm just waiting for Neelu to join us as well. As soon as I see her, I'll add her on. I hope you're enjoying all the videos and all the people that I'm interviewing. And if there are any questions or anything else that you'd like me to do, just do put in a comment on any of them, and I will read it and I will definitely get back to you. Hope. Why did I choose the word hope? Because for me, hope is very positive. I personally am an illogical optimist, and I see the brighter side of everything, no matter how difficult life is. Because for some people, life is very difficult right now. And for some people, it's not that difficult, and for some people, it's a little difficult. Also, the way we're viewing COVID-19 and the way we're dealing with being locked in is different for different people. And every person themselves goes through this whole spectrum of finding it okay, then finding it a little tougher, and then finding it very tough. This is a very, very important time to be able to accept what people are going through, people's opinions, because we're living so close together to each other. So hope for me is a light to take us forward in any situation. So may all our lights shine bright and take us forward in the best way possible, acknowledging the downtimes, acknowledging when we're not feeling so great, being grateful for everything we have, being grateful for all the happiness that we've got, and being grateful for each other. Because that is what this time is all about. Just helping each other, serving each other, and being beacons of light for the other. I think Neelu has come. I met Neelu on the sets of Made in Heaven. We were in the episode together, and she's a wonderful, loving, generous, very kind human being. I was a big fan of hers when I saw her as Minty in a show that I watched regularly only for her. And I miss that. I miss my Minty. So let me get Neelu on. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm so happy that you said yes, Neelu.
Oh, pleasure's all mine.
So tell us a little bit about yourself first, and then what you've been doing at this time.
I don't know where to start. If you're talking about my filmy journey, it's about 20 years old.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, and these days I'm doing what I think everybody is doing.
I'm talking about these days now.
Yeah,
What have you been doing?
I'm doing everything possible. I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I am trying out new stuff to eat.
Yes.
Yes, I have just started my meditations again,
Okay.
and uh, a lot of prayers to keep you going in these
Yes.
times.
Yes.
And I have Cinta to keep me busy, my staff to keep me busy, who's
Yes.
not there, of course, physically, but in and around,
Okay. Virtually
you
there.
know, virtually all there. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. And like where you're with the family right now?
Yes.
Okay. And how is
My
everybody
son, daughter-in-law, and my husband.
Okay. So you cook together or you're cooking on your own?
I know, no, we cook together. I generally um, cook the lunch. Tripti, my daughter-in-law, cooks the dinner.
So what do you cook for lunch?
Lunch is generally simple, dal, sabzi, or whatever.
हाँ हमारे घर में भी दाल चावल
Uh,
सब्जी या फिर दाल
Sabzi
चावल
and
हाँ
roti.
हाँ
That's the most difficult, the roti.
the rotis na Mine are
Yeah.
like maps. My rotis are always like maps.
You know, I've excelled everywhere. I mean, I've tried excelling, but
हाँ जी.
one area where I can't get down to doing is
The roti.
roti. Yeah. Yeah.
And रात को, what does she make in the night?
Raat ko is a little more fancy. Anything,
हाँ.
sometimes some kind of salad, soup. Then
Okay.
there is whatever she feels like, pastas.
Okay.
Yesterday we had pizzas and soup.
Okay. Lovely.
Depends on whatever that's her department. And she's more into exotic cooking and salads
Okay.
and all those
Yes.
things, chicken or
Okay.
fish or whatever she wants to cook.
How that's lovely, and
So
it's lovely that you leave the freedom to her to do that.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so tell me your day. Tell me how do you start your day and what through the day क्या होता है?
I start my day with a prayer as soon as I
Uh-huh.
get up. I ask God to give me enough strength to get through the day,
Yes.
which nowadays is a little difficult. So I think I need it. Um, and then I make tea for my husband, and I have little warm water with some uh, amla and some whatever I eat in the morning,
हाँ.
whatever. Sometimes it's whatever it is.
Say what it is.
And then breakfast, followed by lunch. And then usually at about 3, I sit down for some usually I go live. There is this Gurbani called Amrit Vela. We do the Sukhmani Sahib together, which is from
Oh,
3 to 4,
lovely.
4:15.
हाँ.
So then I do my Sukhmani Sahib, which is a part which takes about 1 hour, about 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then have my evening tea, walk about a few steps in the house,
Yes, in the house.
in the house only. But
हाँ जी.
half the time I'm so exhausted finishing the housework that.
हाँ.
Uh, but my son is here. He helps.
Oh,
Um,
sweet.
he does the jhadu pocha.
Wow.
Yes. My husband is the king of the house. He doesn't help. He
Why?
only makes tea for himself in the evening
Okay, okay,
because
okay.
that time I'm in my prayers. So.
Okay. Same
And
here.
otherwise, I think that's it.
So tell us something from the Gurbani that you feel is like very special for this time and how it's held you.
You know, earlier I have been quite a religious person
Yes.
since childhood, but that was without a reason. That was more a part of the ritual or a routine which I used to follow without
Yes.
really knowing what Gurbani was. So
Yes.
like a Rattu Tota, I would recite and do whatever. Since you're born and brought up in that. I
Yes.
have rediscovered myself now in
Oh,
terms
that's
of
lovely.
yes, in terms of being a very very rather than religious, being spiritual. So I very strongly believe in the laws of karma,
Yes.
and just I now follow it more
Uh-huh.
than just the act of doing the puja.
Okay.
I prefer trying to follow what they're trying to say,
So tell us
which
something
is
about
more.
what they're saying that's really beautiful and touches your heart.
Actually, mostly we talk of surrender.
Yes, surrender is a beautiful
Surrender,
word.
yes, it's a beautiful word.
Yes.
And कि उसके ऊपर आप सरेंडर करने की सोचो तो यू नो
आप हिंदी में बोलिए.
वी आर दिस हाँ
हिंदी में
यस
बोलिए.
बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोलती हूँ हाँ
वही तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि
अ,
हिंदी में बोलिए, बिकॉज इट कम्स बेटर इन हिंदी.
हाँ,
हाँ हाँ.
तो हम लोगों को ये लगता है कि हम ये सब कर रहे हैं,
हाँ
ये करना, वो करना, हर चीज हम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
लेकिन वो जब एक से दूसरी सांस नहीं आने देता है ना, तब हमें पता लगता है कि हम तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, जो है
बिल्कुल.
वो ऊपर वाला करवा रहा है.
जी.
तो दैट इज व्हाट आई जनरली फॉलोड.
हाँ.
एंड लेकिन क्या है ना कि दैट थिंग, द फियर इनसाइड डजंट लेट यू सरेंडर somewhere. It just feels ki no, this is too good to be true.
हाँ.
How can you just surrender and let him look after you?
Yes.
So this thing that we have been brought up for so many years with, we have so many strings attached, so many cobwebs. I'm trying to kind of wriggle my way out of those cobwebs, trying to make a fresh ground for myself and uh, for my family. पर उसके लिए it's very important कि मेरी जो spiritual journey है वो सही direction में जाए,
हाँ
so that
जी.
I can guide my people at home.
That's
So
lovely.
that's how it goes.
That's lovely. And what else? What else can you tell our audience about what you are doing that you feel has helped you at this time?
uh, Sabar,
सबर
holding
करना.
on.
हाँ.
Yes, holding
लेकिन
on.
किस तरह से सबर करना? How?
um, like you hold on and you say ki, okay, it's going to get better tomorrow.
हाँ.
And initially, I'll be very honest, I used to get very disturbed. And
हाँ.
I nearly had a nervous, I was nearly a nervous wreck. Kaise hoga? How is this possible? Ye kaise ho sakta hai? And then
हाँ.
slowly you realize that you have to give into the situation. You
हाँ.
have to let this happen. And you know, I always pray for a better tomorrow. That's it.
Yes.
And for, you know, for me to be a better person tomorrow.
Yes.
So I think that just sorts it out. It's very simple. Actually, we are the ones who complicate things.
हाँ.
It's very
बिल्कुल.
simple otherwise.
Yes. It is.
So yeah, we complicate it.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't say it's easy. It's a task. It's
Yes.
because you do tend to keep going back from where you started.
हाँ.
Sometimes even further back from where you started. Sorry, I can't see any comments, so I'll have to wear my chashma.
Wear your chashma and we'll go through the comments later. That's why I wear them all the
Yeah.
time because of
Yeah,
this.
so I do this, and I win sometimes, I lose sometimes, but I keep trying. I never give up trying.
That's wonderful.
So yeah,
That's wonderful. And what does this word hope mean to you? What does hope mean to you?
like I said, hope means a better tomorrow to me.
Yes,
I think
that's
yeah,
lovely.
I'd put it as a better tomorrow.
That's really lovely. And any other qualities, any other thing that you felt has helped you through these past 40 days and now 2 more weeks?
Yeah, I felt that we have kind of uh, exaggerated our paraphernalia.
Mm-hmm.
We have kind of got too many things into our, we see how well we are managing with just
बिल्कुल.
basics and everything,
Yes,
how well we
yes,
are doing everything. And then
yes,
it just takes me back to my childhood when everything, my mother used to tell me, have this, have that, learn to live in so much. And I used to think she's my stepmother because all the time she used to, curb me with all. And now I realize the way she has brought me up has
yes,
helped me do sabr.
yes,
जितने में है उतने में गुजारा करना सीखो. और खुशी खुशी. See, the idea is if you're not happy doing it, then the entire purpose is lost.
Absolutely. Khushi khushi. Khushi khushi
You know,
sabar karo.
so
Yeah.
yeah. So there's no point in cribbing, because if you're cribbing, you've just lost the plot.
Agreed, my God. Totally. Yeah. If you're
So
cribbing, you've really lost the plot.
yeah. So I think this has really taught me a lot of sabr, surrender, also laws of karma, that
Yeah.
you're getting paid in the way that you have projected yourself in so much time.
Bilkul.
So for me, it's a very, very productive, in the sense I'm trying to make it productive.
Yes.
A lot of introspection, a lot of it,
Yes.
and a lot of retrospection too. But yes, good time for introspection,
Yes. It is.
correcting yourself.
Yes. Again and again.
Yes.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And should we just say the any questions, if there are any questions for you?
I don't
Check.
think so. Let me
No.
see.
No, no. People are talking
Hello,
about.
Neeluji, Seaman, Bhabhi. So many other serials. Thank you. Okay. Don't forget a better today, because that's what you. Yes, Monica Raheja. Yes, perfect. A better today.
Yes.
Absolutely.
And we
Thank
can
God.
take that
This is
forward.
one prayer that I really, when I get up in the morning, just say
Yes.
thank you for, allowing me to see the day, God. Thank you so much
Yes.
for that.
Yes.
So,
It's a beautiful prayer. Thank you so much, God, for allowing me to see the day.
see, yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. My
Yes.
body is healthy. I have woken up today. So much to thank God for, yeah.
Yeah,
So
I
much.
agree.
So much to be in gratitude for.
Yes.
So, thank you for
Yeah.
that. And you tell me, what about you?
Yeah, so I've been like super busy with this. About a week and a bit ago, in one of my meditations, I felt that I should do this. And I
Okay.
came and asked my daughter, I said, I want to start interviewing people about the positive side of what's happening at this time. And so she helped me
Okay.
find the title. And then she said, Mama, first ask Soni auntie, because she's known her since she was a baby. And I just took it from there. And I'm interviewing people every day. And then I interview it, then I download all this, and I put it together on iMovie. So I'm just so grateful to God for allowing me this, and I'm so grateful to
Yeah,
all of you for saying
absolutely.
yes. I'm so grateful to
No,
all of you
no.
for saying yes.
Like, whenever there are so many motivational videos I have done, so many awareness videos that I have done, and my daughter-in-law tells me, Mama, you've been so busy, you've been doing something or the other every day, and it's true.
Yes.
I've
Yes.
been doing something or the other every day.
That's lovely.
So, thank you so much for this. I mean, gratitude.
Yes, really. I
So,
feel very grateful to all of you, to my fraternity, to my friends for supporting
absolutely.
me in this, and for all the people who are watching. Thank you. I have a lot
Yeah,
of
absolutely.
gratitude, and I do hope that that all of you are also using this time for, as Neeluji says, for introspection and to turn our lives around. Because what you see as a way forward, Neelu, what do you see as the way forward from this?
You know, I feel that becoming a part of this and embracing is the only way. Making it a part of your daily routine. I mean, how nice, yeah. Your house is so hygienic, your
Yes.
vegetables are so hygienic, your ration is so hygienic, everybody. So damn good, yeah. I mean, this is
Yeah.
probably the way of life. I was reading this very nice article where somebody said कि, कि इसको प्रलय बोलते हैं जो आया हुआ है. ये प्रलय
हाँ.
है और इसके बाद सतयुग आएगा. लोग कहते हैं ना, प्रलय के बाद सतयुग आता है.
हाँ.
तो ये वो प्रलय है. इस
मैं भी
प्रलय
यही
में जो,
सोचती हूँ.
हाँ, कि इस प्रलय से जो निकल गया वो सतयुग की तरफ जरूर जरूर जाएगा, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं दैट पर्सन इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू हैव अ चेंज ऑफ हार्ट. दे आर गोइंग टू बिकम मोर कंपैशनेट,
हाँ
more
बिल्कुल.
grateful, more aware, everything. I think we're all going to move to a better tomorrow.
I really think मेरा बेटा ये बोलता है. You know, 2 days into this thing, he called me, says, Mama, you know, God has brought us down to our knees. We are locked
Abs-
down, but actually we're locked in to go in and to change ourselves from inside and be better human beings and be the best version of who we are. How else to do
Absolutely.
it? To bring you down to
Yeah.
your knees and say, okay, fine, I surrender, sab tera, and now let me change. है ना?
Yeah, absolutely. And
Yeah.
nothing, I don't see it in, I don't see it working in any other way besides
हाँ
this.
जी. Yes,
I don't know if somebody
absolutely.
has a suggestion, please be most welcome with that. But I honestly don't see any other solution to this than accepting the situation with open arms and seeing the
Yes,
best in it. Like
yes,
I was just telling
absolutely.
everybody कि कोरोना हमको भी होगा, आज नहीं तो
हाँ
कल
जी.
होना ही है.
हाँ जी.
It's just that when you prepare your body, your mind for it, then it attacks you lesser and it just kind of, breezes past you like probably a flu or something. But
हाँ.
eventually we will have to fight that to get the body immune to
Immune to
it,
it.
because yeah,
Yes,
because otherwise we're not, how else do we survive?
yes, yes. That's
So
lovely. That's very lovely. Any other last words for anybody, for the audience?
not really.
Not
I
really.
think
Thank,
everybody's a genius. Everybody knows, everybody is very smart now, and everybody has the power to teach. So
thank you.
so I feel कि बस uh, just one thing I was disturbed about was Irfan Khan passing away and
हाँ
Rishi
जी.
Kapoor passing away.
Yes,
Uh, I have been very disturbed because of that, but I mean, I felt that these are the two stalwarts who needed a grand funeral at least,
yes.
and ऐसे चले गए.
हाँ जी.
But whatever God wills. So today I'm a little better after the
Yes,
news.
yes.
All these days I was pretty bad, very upset,
Yeah.
and especially because the last film that I did with Rishi ji, of course it didn't do too well, called Jhoota Kahin Ka,
हाँ जी.
but we kind of saw him through that phase of
Yeah.
falling
Not being
sick,
well.
and
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, so
Yeah.
it was a little upsetting.
Well, may God just keep them forever in
Yes.
peace and freedom. You know, we've
Oh,
all
mm,
we've all come from there, and we'll all go back. And I just pray that their whole energy has just merged into the divine.
absolutely.
Yeah.
So, should we call it a day?
Thank you so much, Neelu. It's really lovely
Pleasure's
speaking
all
to you
mine.
always. And have a lovely rest of the evening. And I hope your daughter-in-law makes some deadly food.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Take care, Nandini. It was great talking to you.
Yes, it was. Love you. See you.
Bye, everybody. Thank you
Bye.
so much for joining in. Lots of love to all of you. Love and light. And look after yourself and stay happy.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye.
Okay, how do you do this? Yeah.